We use the Yoga 920 for a lot of web browsing, with multiple tabs open, and it performed well. The keyboard was large enough to type comfortably on, and despite the keys being fairly shallow, they had satisfying travel. The touchscreen was fast and responsive, when using either fingers or the stylus, and even though we tested the 1080p version, rather than the UHD version, the screen still looked fantastic, with crisp and bright visuals. In fact, we'd say a 4K screen on a 13-inch screen like this is overkill, especially given the size of the screen. Image quality was also fantastic on the screen, with bright and vivid pictures and deep blacks offering an enjoyable viewing experience when watching movies. The sound quality, powered by Dolby Audio Premium, is also very impressive. Despite its small size, the Yoga 920 does a great job of pumping out sounds at a decent volume, and the audio quality doesn't suffer from sounding weak or tinny. That can be an annoyance on smaller devices, but the Yoga 920 really did impress us. Combined with such a lovely screen, the sound quality makes the Yoga 920 an excellent device for watching media on. As you can see from our benchmark scores, the integrated graphics of the Lenovo Yoga 920 don't have enough power to drive modern graphically demanding games, but it can still handle older games, and pretty much any title on our list of the best games for laptops. For any graphically strenuous tasks, however, you may not want to settle for the Yoga 920.